Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Oh my gosh, you guys, stop. I just found the most insane kitchen. It's Modern Tudor meets organic, and honestly, it's a game changer. This space is totally giving sophisticated drama vibes. Look at the contrast. They took natural oak, this beautiful light rift-sawn wood, and smashed it against deep, deep charcoal black. It's stunning. Seriously, the ceilings are probably 9 feet 6 inches high, and they dropped this massive, dark, rustic wood beams across the top. It gives it that historical weight, you know? But the centerpiece, the island, it's easily 8 feet long, maybe 4 feet wide, and topped with this incredible live edge wood slab. You can just picture hosting the best parties here, right? And forget those cheap, cramped kitchens. This design gives you all the practical storage you need without looking cluttered. Plus, look at the sink wall. Those beautiful 11-foot wide leaded glass windows, they scream old manor house, but the sleek black counters make it feel totally now. It just fixes that problem of wanting character without settling for old, boring design. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me?